Okay, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com and RoanokeWeatherToday.weebly.com. This is your update for weather on this 26th day of June 2017. And man, we have had a nice air mass move into the area. That includes if you live in Roanoke, if you live in Charlottesville, if you live in New Jersey, you've gotten a really nice cool air. And I mean, temperatures maybe near 80, but the humidity has been ripe and nice and cool. And you can see that we may get into the 70s near 80, but for the next few days, we're looking at that dew point to be nice. We'll look at dew points in a minute. By the end of the week, we get more humid. We get a southwestern flow. That will raise the humidity and the heat. We get back to mid-80s. Some areas may get 90 near D.C., and then east towards Richmond on Sunday. But there always is a front that comes behind that. And it looks like by the 4th of July or a little after, we may have a low pressure center with a cold front come in, and that could be actually, with a low pressure, be an issue, especially as it comes towards the area of showers and thunderstorms. That'll give us a small break, but then it will be back to the same old, same old. So we'll take a look at the dew points on this. I'll show you why it's been so nice. Dew points in the 40s and the 50s. That's a nice day, no matter where you are. Even when you get to around 60, it can be somewhat nice. After that, it gets warm, and you're going to see what's going to happen. We'll start sneaking back in by Thursday. Those 60 dew points. New Jersey, Philadelphia, Roanoke, and then the 70 dew points up in Jersey. Whew, it's going to get hot. So, and humid. So, once we get into, say, Thursday, Friday, we get into a little bit of a heat issue with the humidity really cranking up. And I saw 80 dew points, let's see, in the Midwest by Saturday, July the 8th. So, it looks like we'll maybe in an extended heat issue and heat and humidity after we get towards Thursday, Friday this week. So, we'll get a turnaround into a more summer pattern, which it is summer, so we can be expected. And you can see here, you can really see that in the 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, where you do see that above average in the Midwest and also here in the East Coast. So anywhere from Jersey south to the coast. So that is what we're seeing after Thursday. I would also say it extends out 14 days. You can see the above average just takes over most of the country of the Midwest all the way to the East Coast. So, like I said, up to 14 days of a warm and humid air mass. After that, it seems that we may have a change after 14 days to a below normal area. And the only thing I can think of below normal is a tropical influence, 1, and or a cutoff low, 2. That is what would stage us for a below normal in the southeast. And basing that goes with above normal precipitation, that seems to be going to be the issue. One thing I can say is in the 6 to 10 day and in the up to the 14 day, we are looking at above normal precipitation, which means we're going to have fronts come through, showers and thunderstorms, some severe weather. That would be very likely. That means it'll be wetter than normal probably for the next month. July looks like a wetter than normal month in the East Coast, especially Virginia to Delaware Valley. So we'll keep an eye on that. Other than that, enjoy your weather through Thursday. Very slight chance of shower in the areas tomorrow. After that, with that dew point front coming through, just enjoy your time through Thursday and Friday without the humidity before the humidity starts rebuilding and it gets humid. So, also want to say there was 2 tornadoes in New Jersey over the past weekend. I have posted a video in the Live Weather Blogs Facebook page that was taken from a department store. There was 2 tornadoes in Howell, New Jersey, and a micro downburst occurred at Browns Mills, Pemberton, New Jersey. So, pretty interesting stuff. But if you watch the Weather Pros and my updates, you would have seen that coming because I explained to you what could happen with a tropical system that makes landfall. So anyways, be sure to always keep up with us here, and we'll talk to you again later. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.